It's important to understand that the insecticides that are being introduced have a mode of action. And typically what happens is a mode of action is the way the pesticide actually performs. In this case, I'm talking about insecticides. And so once a discovery is made, what the researchers will do is they'll make analogs. So basically you're finding one product or one active ingredient that works well, and you're simply making minor modifications in that, and it allows you to take one discovery and make multiple products from it. For example, the pyrethroids, the initial pyrethroid, they developed 44 additional products. Today, what's happening, and the reason why this is important relative to the pesticide treadmill, is the new active ingredients that are being developed are not getting the same number of multiple products. Like the last group of active ingredients that was registered by the EPA, there are only 2 members of that mode of action class. Another factor which is really important in understanding the pesticide treadmill is the rising cost of developing a pesticide. In 1980, when I first came into the industry, it was estimated that the average pesticide would cost about $50 million to get registered by the EPA. And when I'm talking about how much it costs, it's the entire infrastructure cost that you have to maintain in order to do all the research. By the 2010s, the number had gone up to $286 million. And today we think that the number is probably closer to $400 to $500 million. Another factor that we have to consider, as I discussed the cost of developing pesticides today relative to the EPA, the fact is that the number of companies that are now able to afford to undertake the cost of developing the pesticide has been reduced dramatically. There are only 4 major agricultural chemical companies that have the financial wherewithal to develop it. So we have a rising cost and fewer companies that are able to develop the products.